Hey everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today we're going to start on this ghost that I have been wanting to do. Let's get started on this ghost. What I've done is I'm going to go ahead and do my white mica powder on this ghost. Let me grab some and I will put it in here. I'm going to make him nice and opaque. The more mica powder you use, the more opaque it is. Get that stirred up. I can't wait for you to see what this mold is. Some of you might have it, so some of you might know, but I have been dying to, well, Halloween dying. I mean, I've been dying to try this mold. That's my attempt at being funny. Sometimes it doesn't always work. Anytime you use mica powder, make sure you stir it really well because it needs to be mixed in really well. I think I'm going to go ahead and throw in a little bit of my glitter in here. Just a little bit, just enough to make a shine. Look at that. See that? Well, maybe not enough. This is extra fine glitter. I don't even remember where I got it from. But it might have even been Dollar Tree for all I know. It doesn't have a label on it, so I have no idea. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, don't ask me why I scrape it off and then put it right back in. Silly me. I'm going to go ahead and spray the mold. Make sure I get all that in there. That's 91% isopropyl alcohol that I put in there. Let's go ahead and start pouring. Now, I've not poured this mold yet. I've been waiting to try it. So we shall see what happens. This is one of those squishy molds, so it's really squishy. So anytime you use this mold, try to put some kind of paper on your silicone mat because it sucks the life out of the silicone mat, basically. Look, did you see them bubbles I just popped out of there? There we go. I'll get underneath this rim. I think I see a bubble under here. Well, maybe not. And there you go. Look at that. All right, I'm going to fill this up the rest of the way, and I will be back to you on demold. It's demolding day. I went ahead and put it in my curing machine so it would cure quicker. And that is such pretty glitter. I love that glitter. And that's right, you don't know what this is yet, do you? Well, whatever it is, it came out clean out of the mold, easy. There we go. It's got a little doggy. He's walking his dog. I love this one. I'm just cleaning up the bottom there. Let me get my markers. I've got my Bic intensity marker. I'm going to do his eyes. This is a matte mold, so I think that's pretty though. I like this color I got in him. Oh, look at that. You can do any kind of Sharpie in here. That works. I got to do a second one as soon as it, yeah. I don't have a thin marker, so I'm just going to have to use this the best I can. And just as I thought, it didn't want to work. That's okay. Got it in there the best I can. So now, before it dries too much, I'm going to grab me a baby wipe. Sometimes if you catch it before it dries, you can clean it up. Ha, I did it. See how I shoved it in there and then I cleaned off all the extra? There we go. Cute little smiley face. And then we're going to paint this leash. Do it in black as well. I really like this mold. Oh, it's so cute. Got a couple, looks like I got a couple of, well, no, I just made a mistake, that's all. What you can do to get into some small areas is just take your little brush or little whatever and then wrap it around your baby wipe. See how I clean that up? There we go. Clean up some of this. Now, instead of using black for his little collar, I'm going to use purple street. Excuse me, purple steel. Can't read today for nothing. Paint that purple. Well, I got a mess to clean up. Same thing as before, just move your stick to another spot, wrap it up, and then just clean it up. And just keep moving it so that it stays clean. He is too cute. You know, I'm such a dog lover. You know, I've got 2 of them. I've got 2 dogs, 1 Chihuahua and 1 Beagle. And I've posted many pictures. And if you'd like, I'd post another one. I'll post it up here somewhere. The Chihuahua's name is Billy. And the Beagle's name is Prissy. Although some days I like to call her Stinky. But that's another whole other story. But anyway, another way you can do that is you can color your little marker and put it in there like that. And get those eyes again. Oh, and the dog does have eyes, so let's see if I can make them purple. Just take your little mica brush, rub it on there, and poke them in. Hey, I did it. And poke it and twist it. There you go. Now the puppy's got eyes to match his collar. I think this is a really awesome little mold. And all you have to do for that bottom is just get your little deburring tool and just go around it. It's still a little soft, but it'll be all right. See, it's just coming right off. And almost practically pick it off with your fingernails, being that it's that soft right now. All right. If you'd buy me a coffee, that would be really appreciated. Everything that I get goes right back into the channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Until next time, keep creating and keep pouring. Bye for now.